So curious to what.
Oh, I want to know what it weighs.
Oh my lord. 3 pounds 9 ounces.
Almost a 4-pound bass.
Here. Come back. Turn it. Here. What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to share with you guys, I got a new fishing rod from 6 Cents Fishing called the Milliken Fishing Rod. It's a 7-foot 5-inch, I believe it's medium heavy. I'll double check as soon as I pull it out. In this big tube, and then I will be putting on this Abu Garcia Silver Max. Show you that. This will be going on the rod, and I will pair it with the Line Fishing 40-pound braid, and it's in black. I'll open this up real quick, and I'll show you the rod, talk about why I got it. Don't want it to not come out. Okay. What's that? As you can see, the rod is very long. This is the rod. It's an extra heavy fast action. And it's a Milliken Fishing Rod. So I've been wanting one for a long time, since he came out with them. I've been watching Ben Milliken, his YouTube channel for, I think, almost 3 years now. So since he came out with these, I was like, I have to try to get one. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. Might be hard to tell, it's got green and blue hue to it. Got the AMFR logo. So I basically got this rod because this is really good for frogs and topwater, and I don't have a rod that, so I wanted something I would basically be perfect for frogs and topwater stuff, and then like ripping through grass and weeds and stuff. So I got this rod, got that reel to pair with it, and I just wanted to share with you guys. It comes with food sheet guides. Let's see if I can get that in there. They're nice and small. And I'm not sure what blank this is, but it's a really good rod. I'll link the video that Ben Milliken does on all his rods. He kind of goes in depth of what does what and what not. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you want a rod, I'll link the 6 Cents Fishing in the description down below, and Ben Milliken's website. As you can see, it's pretty stiff rod. That way when you hook on the top water bites, that you basically can just rip through grass and stuff. And you got a lot of backbone in the rod, so when you do hook, it doesn't bend and it doesn't give you a good hook set. So that is why I got this rod. Finally got it. I'm so excited. Alright, so part of the order when I got the rod, I wanted a couple more things. They also sent me a free rod sleeve, which isn't this one. It's another one, which I'll show you guys real quick. I'll open this box up. I just had a couple other items that I wanted to get while I got the rod. So this is a free rod sleeve I got. Here's the lime green, because it's a green pole. Figured it'd fit. Anyway, they're really nice. Awesome bright color. They got their logo on there. Like I said, I'll link 6 Sense Fishing website down below. Got a shirt, which I forgot about. Probably should remember what I buy. Again, hopefully you can hear me over all this wind. 6 Sense Fishing. My first shirt from them. It's actually really nice. Sweet. And anyways, got some Nirvana and then Black and Blue Flake Trucker Craw and then prawns. These are really good for jigs and flipping around, which is why I got that rod. This rod's good for flipping and topwater stuff. Two of the things I really don't do a ton of, but I want to get back, or not back into, but get into it, and I've yet to catch fish on topwater, so it's kind of why I went and got a new rod specifically for that kind of stuff, so that I can try it more and not be so worried about, you know, whether the few times I have had fish bite frogs on topwater, I go to hook it and it just like rips them out of the mouth. So I don't know, I'm hoping this rod will help me out. So hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I will link all the websites, Milliken Fishing website, Milliken Fishing YouTube, and I'll link 6 Sense Fishing and line fishing. So these guys, their line's awesome. I think I did a small video on their stuff and how I like it and whatnot, and I'm ended up switching all my fishing reels to their brand. So it's just a great quality line, casts really well, and doesn't like bird's nest that much, and it holds knots really well. So, anyways, hope you guys like it. Make sure you check out 6 Sense Fishing and Milliken Fishing. So excited.